Hello, my friends. Today, we're getting into a topic that touches so many lives: financial abundance. It's something we all desire, yet for many, it feels just out of reach. What if I told you that the key to unlocking the wealth and prosperity you seek lies not in the world around you but within your own mind? Let me explain. Every thought you hold, every belief you carry about money and abundance, shapes your financial reality. It's not about how hard you work or the opportunities that come your way, those are reflections, not causes. The real cause lies in your imagination, the inner world where all things are first created. You may wonder, how can imagination create wealth? It's because imagination is the blueprint of your reality. Everything you see, touch, or experience began as an idea. Someone imagined it, believed in it, and brought it into being. The same applies to your financial situation. If you persistently imagine yourself struggling, that is exactly what you will manifest. On the other hand, if you can vividly see yourself living in abundance, feeling gratitude for wealth as if it is already yours, you set the wheels of creation in motion. Now, let's break this down into simple steps you can follow. The first step in manifesting financial abundance is to know exactly what you want. Vague wishes lead to vague results. Ask yourself, what does financial abundance mean to me? Is it a specific amount of money in your account? Is it a lifestyle free of financial worries? Be precise. For example, instead of saying, "I want more money," decide on a clear goal, like having $100,000 in your savings or earning a consistent income of $10,000 a month. Write this desire down, not as something you hope to have one day, but as if it's already true. For instance, you might write, "I am grateful for the $10,000 I earn every month, which allows me to live comfortably and generously." Once your desire is clear, it's time to use the creative power of your imagination. Find a quiet moment to close your eyes and enter a state of relaxation. This is often easiest before bed or first thing in the morning when your mind is naturally calm. Picture yourself already in possession of the financial abundance you desire. Here's the crucial part: don't just see it, feel it. Imagine holding a check with the exact amount you desire. Feel the weight of it in your hands, the texture of the paper. Imagine depositing it into your bank account and seeing the balance increase. Feel the excitement, the relief, the joy as if it's happening right now. These feelings are what imprint the desire onto your subconscious mind. This step is about living as though your desire has already come to pass. Carry the feeling of abundance with you throughout your day. Speak, act, and think as though you are already financially free. When doubts creep in or when your current reality contradicts your desire, remind yourself that the outer world is simply a reflection of your past thoughts. What you're imagining now will soon become visible. This doesn't mean ignoring your responsibilities or spending recklessly. It means aligning your inner state with the abundance you seek. If you believe you are wealthy, you will naturally make choices that reflect that belief, whether it's saving wisely, investing in opportunities, or giving generously. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier. When you're thankful for what you already have, you open the door to receiving even more. Begin and end each day by listing the things you're grateful for, no matter how small. It could be as simple as a warm meal, a supportive friend, or a roof over your head. Then, extend this gratitude to the financial abundance you are manifesting, even before it appears. Say, "Thank you for the wealth that flows to me so easily and effortlessly. I am grateful for the financial freedom I enjoy." Manifestation requires persistence and trust. You may not see results immediately, and that's okay. Seeds take time to grow, but they will sprout if you water them consistently. The same goes for your financial desires. Continue to hold the vision, feel the feelings, and act in alignment with your wish. Resist the urge to look for evidence too soon or to doubt the process. Doubt is like digging up a seed to check if it's growing; it disrupts the process. Instead, trust that what you have imagined is already on its way. Many people struggle with limiting beliefs about money, often rooted in childhood experiences or societal conditioning. You might believe money is hard to earn, that it's selfish to want more, or that you're not deserving of wealth. Recognize these beliefs for what they are, false stories you've been telling yourself. To dissolve these blocks, affirm the opposite. Replace "money is hard to come by" with "money flows to me effortlessly." Replace "I'm not deserving" with "I am worthy of all the abundance life offers." Repetition is key here. The more you affirm your new beliefs, the more they will take root in your subconscious mind. A vital but often overlooked part of manifestation is letting go. This doesn't mean abandoning your desire, it means releasing the need for it. When you cling too tightly, you create resistance. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes. Focus on living fully in the present moment, knowing that your financial abundance is already secured. Think about a time in your life when something you deeply desired came to pass, seemingly out of nowhere. Perhaps it was a job opportunity, a relationship, or even a financial windfall. Reflect on how your thoughts and feelings aligned with that outcome. Use this as evidence of your creative power. Now, apply the same principle to your current financial goals. Remind yourself daily that you are the operant power in your life. What you imagine with conviction must come to pass. Let's explore another aspect that's crucial in the manifestation of financial abundance: the energy of giving and receiving. This often gets overlooked, but it's a fundamental law of life. Money, like any form of energy, flows in cycles. To receive freely, you must also learn to give freely. This doesn't mean you have to part with large sums of money. Giving can take many forms. Share your time, offer your skills, or extend kindness to someone in need. When you give from a place of genuine abundance, you signal to your subconscious mind that you already have more than enough. However, it's important to give without expectation. If you give solely to receive something in return, you're introducing resistance into the process. True abundance is rooted in trust. When you trust that the act of giving will never leave you lacking, the universe responds by ensuring that more flows your way. This might sound paradoxical, but it's one of the most profound truths of manifestation. Another often missed key is how you handle opportunities. Abundance frequently appears in the form of opportunities, ideas, collaborations, or unexpected paths opening up. It's essential to act on these with confidence. Sometimes, fear holds us back. We hesitate to invest, afraid of loss. We delay taking action, waiting for the perfect moment. But opportunities are fleeting. They are the universe's way of responding to your intentions, and it's your responsibility to seize them when they come. To stay aligned with the vibration of wealth, practice mindfulness in your financial habits. How do you treat the money you already have? If you view it with resentment or fear, you're sending mixed signals to your subconscious mind. Treat every dollar with gratitude and respect. Budget wisely, save intentionally, and spend thoughtfully, not from a place of lack but from a mindset of empowerment. Lastly, let's talk about the company you keep. Surround yourself with people who have an abundant mindset. Their energy and perspectives will naturally influence you. Conversations that celebrate wealth and possibilities will uplift you, while those steeped in scarcity will weigh you down. It's not about judging others, it's about choosing the environment that supports your vision. Financial abundance is not reserved for a select few, it is available to anyone willing to claim it. The process is simple but requires discipline, faith, and persistence. Start today. Define your desire, engage your imagination, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, practice gratitude, and trust the process. Remember, wealth begins in the mind, not the bank account. The more you align your thoughts and feelings with abundance, the sooner you will see it reflected in your reality. Take the first step now and watch how the world rearranges itself to bring your vision to life. If this message resonated with you and you found value in it, take a moment to like this video. Your support helps more people discover these teachings and benefit from them. And if you're ready to unlock even greater abundance, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll never miss insights that can transform the way you see your world. What stood out to you most in this discussion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Engaging with others who are on the same path can strengthen your understanding and inspire deeper action. Let's create a space where we uplift one another through shared wisdom. If you're enjoying the content, consider hitting the like button right now. It's a small action that makes a big difference in spreading these empowering ideas to others who need them. Your journey toward financial abundance is unique, but you are never alone. With the right mindset, consistent practice, and unwavering belief, you can create the wealth you desire. You are already equipped with the ability to change your financial destiny. Take the first step today. Thank you for being here. Your willingness to explore these ideas speaks volumes about your readiness for growth. If you found this discussion helpful, don't keep it to yourself, share it with someone who might benefit. Let's keep the energy of giving and receiving flowing.